Day 1, because I have some so-called attitude problems, the county has so graciously granted me access to a video camera so I could do some journals here for them to watch and check up on me and to help exercise some of my personal demons. I've been given a cellmate. He will be arriving in a couple of days after he goes through some processing. So tune in every week to watch my prison vlog. I guess my YouTube handle now is inmate80085. But yeah, tune in and watch my vlog. Does anybody actually really watch these? Are these archival? What are these being broadcasted on? Cable? Dial-up? Anyways, I'm not sure what they're releasing this format on, but if there's a subscribe button, I'm gonna need you to hit that and watch.